Hey ladies and gents, I really want to encourage you to really take full advantage of the Linxella opportunity. Right now we're in pre-launch, which means you're getting involved before the mass momentum. And one of the greatest things that you can do right now is positioning yourself for greatness. And what do I mean by that? Taking advantage of the Linxella pool. This is a unique system that's going to reward you long term, as long as you're qualified. And right now there's a very special promotion that if you had a 5,000 LCSP package, you qualify automatically. This is filling up very rapidly, and we want to help you really secure your position, because we believe that those that believed in Linxella from the beginning deserve to benefit on Linxella long term. So I want to encourage you that if you're still new to this industry, new to Linxella, and wanting to know whether this is a place to plant your flag, I want to reassure you and I want to affirm with you that you've made a great decision. Follow your gut, follow your heart, and remember that Linxella is your only wise choice. Wisdom is the application of knowledge. You've been taught on how to take advantage of this opportunity. Now be wise and follow it through.